Hi class, today we are in Saxon Math Book 3, Lesson 59, and we're going to talk about your multiplication facts for 2s and 5s. So first we're going to look at the 2s. Now, I know that you guys have your doubles facts for addition memorized. I can give you 6 plus 6 and you're going to shout out 12, 10 plus 10, 20, 4 plus 4, 8. So knowing those doubles facts with addition helps you with your 2s for multiplication because it's essentially the same thing. If I'm saying 2 times 4, I'm looking at 2 groups of 4. So here's one group of 4, and then I'm going to add another group of 4. Remember that repeated addition? And look, it's a doubles addition fact. 2 groups of 4 is going to be 8. Here I'll do the same thing, 2 groups of 7. One group of 7 plus a second group of 7 gives me 14. Same thing with 15. 2 groups of 15 is going to be 15 plus 15, which is 30. So anytime I see a 2, and the 2 does not have to be at the beginning. I put it at the beginning here so that I could read it as 2 groups of 4, but I could flip-flop that and say instead, what if it's 4 groups of 2? So I could look at it this way. 4 groups of 2 is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So counting by 2s gives me 2, 4, 6, 8. Or I could look at the 2 there, have the little alarm bell go off in my head, ding, ding, ding. Hey, that's a doubles fact. And I could just do 4 plus 4 again in my head. So either way it's written, oh, I'm putting the 2 first again. 7 times 2 or 15 times 2. Doesn't matter where the 2 is, it's still a 2's multiplication fact, and I can just take the other number and double it. All right, so the other one is 5s. And again, you guys are pros at your double addition facts. You are also professionals at counting by 5. You guys count by 5 faster than I can count by 5 most of the time. So when we're doing 5's multiplication, let's say 5 times 8, all we need to do is count by 5 8 times. So we would say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and I know you're ahead of me right now because you guys do this so fast. 35, 40, there we go. I counted by 5 8 times, I landed on 40. Now, would I write this down every time I'm doing a times 5 fact? Oh no, not at all. I'd probably count it up with my fingers and I'd stop myself at 8. So I have to know, what do 8 fingers look like? Okay, here we go, I have 8. And then I'd count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and see how quick that is. And you guys are probably even faster than me. So anything times 5, you just count up by 5s till you get to that stopping point. So 5 times 8 is 40. What if we do 9 times 5? We already did 8 times 5. So 9 groups of 5 is just one more 5, 45. Okay? How about 4 times 5? Count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. How about 6 times 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Pretty simple concept there, okay? So you guys have some lesson practice where it just gives you some 2s and some 5s facts to do. So go ahead and do those. Those are on page 318 of your textbook. If you are in my class, we'll go over the answers when I see you live for math. If you are not in my class, go ahead and check the answers in your answer key that came with your curriculum. After that, you're going to start the written practice, which is also on page 318. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.